Now let's write this C prime 1 as C prime 2 plus some other thing. Let's call that A. Now these are constants, so we could write it, no problem. And then this should be equal to C prime 2 sine theta to the A minus 1 plus the big A. Let me write it here. Plus the big A sine theta A minus 1, and write these two, take C prime 2 outside. We're gonna have, let's write the whole thing again here. The integral from 0 to pi G A sine theta A minus 1 plus C prime 2 times sine theta A minus 1 plus x sine theta to 1 minus A d theta. Now that's d theta, okay? And let's get rid of these. And C prime 2 is a constant, okay? So let's write it C prime 2 as another constant over A minus 1. A is a constant. We could do that, no problem. So then this would be equal to, let's put it here, B times this over, there is no space here, so B over A minus 1 here, and let's write the whole thing again here. Zero pi G A sine theta A minus 1 plus B this again sine theta A minus 1 plus x sine theta 1 minus A over A minus 1 dt. And now, so far whatever I did was for A not be equal to 1, because as I said before, A equals to 1 gives two non-independent solutions. But now this is the general solution. instead of two integrals, we wrote it down as a single integral. So this is the general solution of the differential equation, but for a not equal to 1. Now, let's see what happens if a be equal to 1. If a be equal to 1, this is 0. Oh no, we could not substitute 1 into a because originally this is for a not equal to 1. So, but how could we find the general solution when a equals to 1? Here, one way, a good guess would be take the limit of this as a approaching to 1. Okay? And whatever the result would be, one may object that, why the limit of this as a approaching to 1 is a solution for a equals to 1. But at least we could substitute the result into the original differential equation to see if that satisfies the differential equation. Okay, so the limit of this as a approaching to 1 would be here. This would be sine theta to the 0, which is 1. So this would be the limit of this would be the integral 0 to pi g. The g what was it? G was into the qx cosine theta. Doesn't contain a. So the limit of g will be g itself times a times 1 plus b times the limit of this one. Okay, this fraction. But let's write this fraction. Let's write this one as 1 over. Let me write it. Minus 1 plus 1 over x sine theta to a minus 1. Because the power here was 1 minus a, and when it goes to the denominator, that would be like this. And let's add these two. That would be this times this, and the power of this and this are equal. So here we got a minus 1, this a minus 1 times this x sine theta a minus 1, and the denominator would be this times this, which is x sine theta times sine theta would be x sine theta squared plus 1. Okay, this would be x sine sine squared theta to the a minus 1 plus 1. Let's see. So